kidding, no. This is just an apartment tour, but I'm obsessed with this apartment, you guys. Welcome to my channel where we focus on beauty, city living, lifestyle, and positivity. Today's video is gonna be an apartment tour, as you can see, and oh my God, you guys, these floor-to-ceiling windows are killing me, okay? And the price of this place, let me tell you. The price of this place is not on here, but this is the one that I'm in right now. And when I get home, I'll go over all of the fees and stuff like that. Okay, so I toured the 1000 Spear by Windsor, and you guys, I literally died inside when I went inside to this apartment. It is so beautiful. I have to live here, but all of the nitty gritty details is what I'm gonna go over now. You can apply online at www.1000spearbywindsor.com. Application fee is $16 and it's charged once that application is submitted, and then it's non-refundable after 72 hours. That was for the holding fees. The studio is $125, 1 bedroom $150, 2 bedroom $175, 3 bedroom $200. You guys, I feel like these prices are really not even bad. This place is so luxe. Oh my God, I didn't even notice half the things I should have played with the lights. Administrative fee is $400 per apartment. That's a little bit higher than most other places, but all these other fees are so low. Security deposit waived with approved credit, so that's super nice. You have to make 3 times the monthly rent in a year to qualify. The apartment that I saw was $3 grand, so I would have to make $9 grand to be able to rent it out. So they do have garages. You get 1 spot for $125, 2 for $200. Oh, the second spot is $200, so $325 in total. Pet rent is $50 a month for the first pet, $75 a month for 2 pets, and then one-time pet fee of $500, $650 for 2 pets, non-refundable. Storage, they have a small, medium, and a large. $75 for the small, $100 for the medium, and $225 for the large. Yearly amenity fee is $25. Renter's insurance minimum of $100,000 in personal liability required. They have, oh, this is cool. I haven't seen something with Comcast or like, you know, cable or something. But they have a Comcast bundle deal for $85, which gets you 120 channels and high-speed internet at 175 megabytes. Trash and recycling is $35, pest control is $6, and then electricity you guys pay through Excel. So, oh my God, you guys, I fell in love with this place. Like, usually I just throw these papers away because, you know, I'm not moving, but I'm gonna hold on to this one, and I absolutely am going to try and like move here. But holy crap, he said this place is like $3K a month. Bro, that's only $1,000 more than what I pay right now. This is a 2-bedroom. It's huge. These windows, oh my goodness. I can't, hold on, I need to put these away. I don't want to be up here too long because they don't know that I'm like filming a YouTube video. Such a vibe, such a vibe. Okay, I'm gonna do vlog style. So here's the door, okay? And then here is a coat closet, a washer and dryer, full size. We love that. That's super important. The freaking kitchen, I really cannot. This is so cute. I'm up. Oh my God. I didn't even see this detailing for wine. Oh my God. This is so cute. I'm dead. And then they even have like a built-in desk so you don't have to get one. And it matches everything. And you guys know I love the color gray. This backsplash is so pretty. I have a gray backsplash, but mine is lighter than this. This place is classy, yo. I didn't even notice the stove. Look at that stove. I love this. This is such a vibe. I need to live here. And like the glossy, the glossy like cabinetry. I love that. And then stainless steel appliances. You have your stove, oven, microwave, dishwasher, stainless steel sink, and then fridge. And then here's the like guest bedroom or my office. This is what I would use as my office. Such a vibe. Floor to ceiling windows in every room with a fan. Perfect for filming because of the natural light right here. Bathroom is huge. This one just has a regular like tub shower, which is nice because then you can take baths and shower. And then here's the sink. I need a hurry. And then here's the closet. The guest closet. To live here. I need to hurry. This is the freaking master. It's huge. It's huge. More floor to ceiling windows. His and her sinks, a standing shower, and this closet, you guys, is huge. And it has all these built-in shelves already for you and places to hang things. I'm gonna go home, go downstairs before they come up here and they're like, what are you doing? So that red pin there is where the apartments are, and it's pretty much downtown. To the left of it is Spear, and then you have all of these restaurants that I'm sure are amazing. And then you see a little Chiba Hut, Starbucks. You have 5280 Burger, which is so bomb. And then you have CU Denver, the community college down there, and then MSU. So you have all of the schools in one area, and then literally right there is downtown. You have the Cheesecake Factory, a bunch of other restaurants, Cherry Cricket, the Pig and the Sprout, which is literally my fave. And then that big blue square there is where there is like transit, and that takes you all the way to the airport or pretty much wherever you need to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are not already, please be sure and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so you can see more apartment content like this and city living. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Fearless.